Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are going to make a hoagie. I have been watching Bill Cosby Marathon and I'm like, oh, I want a hoagie. So I decided to make one. As you can see, I have all the ingredients here. I have the hoagie bread, I have the pickle, the hot chili pepper and tomatoes here, so I can let it drain on the plate so my bread won't be soggy when I put it on there. In this bowl, I got salt and pepper. I got some red onions and some cold water. I put it in water so it won't have that pungent taste, you know, very strong. So that's why I got in cold water. I have some red wine vinegar and some olive oil in here. Got some provolone cheese, shredded lettuce. And these are the, like I said, the hot chili pepper, the pickles, and the red wine vinegar. I just want to show y'all what I had. Mayonnaise, mustard, and some Italian season. For the meat, I got the hard salami, roast beef, and black forest ham. Okay, so let's get started. This is not going to be a very long video. It's going to be short, and I'll be back to show you my next step. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So I am going to cut this bread. I'm not gonna cut it all the way through. I just want to cut it. I'm not gonna cut all the way through here, right? So, and I'm not good at cutting. So let's see. And I want to make it even because I'm very bad at this part. Okay, so let's see. It is even. I want to make it half and half. Let's see. Maybe I put a line down like this, just so I can see what I'm doing. That looks about right, child, I hope. Okay, let's see. Let's hope I'm doing this, cut this right. It's a long bread. Woo. Okay. Uh-oh. I got to sweep again. Shoot. Oh, that don't look even. Hold up, let me see. It is even. Child, I hope. Let's see. If not, I'm going to cut this all the way through. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's better. Okay. There we go. Okay. That's a lot of bread inside anyway, so I'm going to take some of that bread out. Or, I don't know. We'll see. It's okay. Okay. So there we go, like that. Okay, now like I said, I'm gonna take some of this bread out. I know you can make like what you call it, like croutons out of this bread. I should try it instead of wasting bread. I mean, am I really gonna make croutons? I should try though, instead of just wasting it. I'm gonna keep some bread now. I don't want to be breadless. Let's see. I'm gonna just take some out. Like that. Okay. Not too much. Just, you know. There, see? Okay. I don't want to be like braggy. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put mayonnaise on this side and mustard on this side, okay? So, let's get the mayonnaise. Okay. Let me get something to, I'm gonna need, all right. So this the mayonnaise. It say real mayonnaise on that thing. I used to get the human, or whatever you want to call it, human. I can't think of it. Soda H, I know that. But for some reason, I had got this one a while ago to try it. So we're going to put the mayonnaise on every little corner, right? It's like, why go buy, spend all that money to buy when I can just make my own and get more for the money? Because of if I went to the store and bought this little restaurant, Subway, that's like what, $12 or something? It was just cheaper to just go buy all the stuff. Probably like maybe more than that. Who knows? I don't know. But I don't like the way they make it, okay? I don't like the mustard or the pickle in the lettuce, and I don't like all this stuff touching. It's touching now, but I did it. Not everybody's hands been on it. You know what I'm trying to say. Shoot. Okay, so we got that. Now let's do the mustard. I always have to pour a little mustard out first. Okay, just to see. Okay, I always do that. Don't ask me why. I just do it. So same thing. Can y'all see? Oh wait. I don't know if it's dark or not, but okay. So I'm gonna spread the mustard. I might have to put some more on here. Yeah. Because remember, we want it in every spot, every corner. Okay. See? Should I toast this? I ain't got time for all that. I need to buy one of those toasters to put in there, but it's fine. Oh, I need a little more. I want to get on the corners. Okay. Oh, I got to wash this. Like that. See? Now, if you go to like Subway, they ain't gonna be doing all that for you. Well, at home you can. And I'm about to wash the top off because I don't like stuff on the top. Okay. There we go. See? Perfect. Okay. Now. Okay, so now we're going to do the meats, okay? I'm going to start with the ham. All right, let's get it going. Okay, so I'm gonna put that, remember, put it on the edge of the corner. Like so, like so, like that. Now you know they'll charge you for extra meat, honey. Like that. Like that. I'm trying to work as fast as I go because again, I don't want the video to be too long. You know, I'm trying to learn how to shorten my videos because you know people will get bored. You know. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Saturday out there. I am. I'm just chilling, relaxing. Okay, there we go. Make it nice and pretty. Want to make sure it's all uniform. Like that. And just, you know, just going back through, making sure it's nice and pretty. Okay, like so. Now, that we did that, I'm going to do the hard salami next. Okay. Okay. See, hard salami. Come on now, work with me. Okay. Put it there, there. This is gonna be a good sandwich, and this is gonna be all I want to eat for today. This is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm making it now because I don't want to eat after 8 o'clock. I'm trying to learn how not to eat after 8 o'clock. So, and it's already it's almost 4 o'clock. Okay, now I'm gonna do the roast beef. Roast beef is my favorite sandwich. My favorite. Oh, okay, like that. There we go. You want everything to look so pretty. Uh-oh, I think it's stuck. Yeah, it is. It's more than, okay. I'm gonna put it like that. And like I said, I've been watching the marathon of Bill Cosby, the Cosby Show. Which, by the way, I love that show. I'm not gonna stop watching it because of what he did. He's in prison. He's doing his time. You can't keep judging a person for what they did once they, you know, did their time or whatever. So, who am I to throw stones, right? Okay, there we go. Let me just make sure it's all good. And I'm on my last season of the Cosby Show, so I have to do this for the last season. Season 8. There we go. I want to make sure it's on every corner. So when you bite, you have a meat on every little corner. Like so. I'll fix that nice and pretty. Fix that one. Okay. So, there we go so far. I'm gonna wash it anyway, but with some water. But right now, because this is annoying me. I don't like stuff. Okay, put that over there. I have to clean that up. Okay. So that's all the roast beef. Now, we're going to put the provolone cheese. Okay. Remember, on every corner. Philly cheese. Well, I should say Philly cheesesteak. Hoagie. And there we go. Okay. I had an idea to cook something else, but like I say, I'm on my last season of the Cosby and I need to fix this. So, let me bring it to the end because again, you want to taste on every piece. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do the lettuce. Okay, I wash the lettuce and I put it in a bowl. I'm also gonna have a salad with this, I think. Yeah. A salad and a cold root beer. Put some more, because I like lettuce. I love me some lettuce. Okay. This sandwich is fit for a queen. Spread it out like that, like so. Y'all might hear some motorcycles out there. Sorry. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. I just want to make sure. Uh-oh, I dropped that one. That's fine. Okay, now let's put, I think I should do onions. I think the cold, it should be good now. Cause like I say, I put it in cold water to get that pungent taste, right? I don't want the onions to be like overpowering. It should be good now. I hope it's good. Throw things off. Okay. There you go. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Some of that water off. All right. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna put an onion there, an onion there. Whatever tomatoes I got left over, I'm gonna just add that to my salad. There. See? Now, let's put some tomatoes. Okay. Like so. Remember, you want on every bite. Okay. Now, before I continue, I'm going to sprinkle a little entire seasoning, okay? Like so. Don't worry, I'm gonna put some more in there. Okay. Now, let's do pickles. Pickle, pickle. I love pickles on my sandwich. Extra pickles too. But see, I didn't want the sandwich to be soggy. That's why I took the pickle out the jar and put it on a plate, so some of that juice can come off. Okay. See, I like pickles. There you go. Go there. Okay. Now, I'm going to add some, this is salt and pepper, okay? Salt and pepper, not too much. All right, salt and pepper. They just bring out the taste, you know? Now, okay. I'm gonna get my vinegar, my red oil, see, like so, and put it on there. Just drizzle, not too much. Again, I don't want it to be soggy. Make sure I get some on this end down here. Okay. Now, I'm going to add the little hot chili pepper, because I like a little spice. And I cut them up. All right, hot little chili peppers, like so. Let's put one here, right there, right. I'm gonna add just a little more salt and pepper, and I'm also gonna add a little more entire, not too much. You know, you want your sandwich to be some, you know, flavorful, right? Okay, there's just some water over there. Okay, now, I got all that. Okay, so let me wash my hands, and then I will show you the final results. Okay. Okay, just up close. Okay, so now let's close it up, like so. Uh-oh, don't want it to fall out. Remember, I put on every corner. And this, there you go. I want to make sure nothing falls out. You know, in a restaurant, they'd be like, they use a knife to do it. Okay. Whatever fall out, put it back in there. And now we have, this is the final results to our hoagie. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I got to cut this bad baby. I think I'm gonna cut it in half. Let's see. Or maybe I should cut it. I think I'm gonna eat a half, right? Yeah, I'm gonna eat a half, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of it and put in a zip, not a zip, like a foil, wrap it up real tight, and then freeze it, right? Or put it in the refrigerator like the next day. So yum, I can't wait to dig into my hoagie. Again, thank you all so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. And I will be back with another video very soon. Peace. Okay, so I thought I had some saran wrap, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wrap it and save for later. Cause saran wrap would have worked so perfect, cause it would have been like a lot of tight with no air in it. So I already cut it. See? Boom. Take this off. I'm gonna wrap it like so, right? Wrap it like so. Make sure no air in it. Same thing here, right? Put it in a Ziploc bag. And when I want a sandwich, I just go get it. And I can freeze this for next time. See? There you go. Oh. Okay, like this. There we go. Now, no air in it. Show you again. This, I'm gonna take the sandwich that I cut. All right. To here. Put it like so. Okay. So. Make sure you no air in it. Like that. Put it in the sandwich bag. So you can take this to work, school, the park, wherever you go, you can take this. Oops. Like that, and boom. There you have it. You see, I just did two. Now this the one I'm gonna eat with my nice cold root beer. Okay? Bye.